What?
No, her left one is like not that long, but they're still pretty long. But on her right hand, they're like 2 inches long.
I guess you have got a fact. Also, say hi to YouTube.
Is anybody else, Moira?
Yeah.
Sparky, if you when you go into your teleport thing, make sure you jump. It gives you a lot of extra speed.
Seconds remaining.
No more time to waste. Let's get this done.
Yes, Ritzko. Hey, also guys, of YouTube, since I have to talk like this because or it won't work. You see the seeker that's currently alive? They're owner of the game. They are also really don't cap.
What the no? What the? We were gonna win anyway.
Okay, who capped? Also, seriously though, can we get rid of Pigman Gaming because they're kind of mean?
Why don't we just copy settings and make it new thing?
Okay.
That one was good. What? Why did you kill the Mercy?
Restart.
Thanks, everyone.
Match.
Well, if we can't get rid of him, let's report him then. No, that'd be mean.
That's kind of rude.
No, it's not rude. It's just Blizzard would get mad because you're.
It's. That's the thing is though. Yeah. Add friend. Wait. Game lag. Fool.
Welcome to the Ilios Lighthouse.
No, best Sombra map.
Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Best Sombra. They left! Hooray! The camper is gone. Actually, if we could get in our Lucio, that would be cool.
Yeah, he said send some nice.
These are the best These are the best characters for the snap.
Fight.
I might need this later. See you later. Beacon in place.
Teammate eliminated.
That was big fail.
Eliminated.
Be right back. I'm out.
Yes.
I might need this later. See you later.
That didn't get me anywhere good.
And we won. Easy peasy.
Zoink!
Locating.
Winner.
That was funny.
Score.
I'm surprised I was the first one to make it here.
Prepare for battle.
I accidentally missed a shot or two, so I was behind. It's 5 on cooldown. Come on, everyone! Sombra!
Everything can be hacked. And everyone.
Well, there's no way we can lose now.
Perfect.
Yeah, we just won.
They left!
Prepare for battle.
Easy peasy, lemon
Select
squeezy.
your hero.
Rico! Or Rich, though. The title of the video: Sombra Army. Hey!
Everything can be hacked.
We have now just invented the title of the video. You guys have named the video.
Always leave yourself a back.
Good job.
I might need this later.
No, I missed it.
I'm out of here.
Hi.
Enemies on my radar.
MLPMDog.
Teammate eliminated.
No. Lost. I got lost, but oh well. My viewers will be able to see that.
I'm out of here.
Oh, you, Bentley Jews, you really got it.
I know the spots.
Wait, how did you type that? But it didn't even look like you typed that. Was that a command that you used?
Enemy eliminated.
That's the command you type in match chat. GG easy.
GG.
Just like that.
Seconds remaining.
No more time
And
to
yeah,
wait. Let's get this done.
GG easy. It's not working.
Spell GG space the letters E and C.
Nope, not working.
Capture the objective.
Type it exactly like that, but you have to type it in match chat.
You said command. That is not a command.
No. Stop, what? Also, why hasn't the guy killed himself yet?
I'm not sure. I wonder. Is papyrus papyrus or is papyrus papyrus?
I'm out of
Zero.
See the font or the skelly?
Prepare for battle.
I am really good at Sombra on this map. Holy cow.
Yes. Sombra Army Unite. MO. My channel is called MLP space MDog.
Fight.
Ahorita regreso. I might need this later. Ahorita regreso.
I missed it again.
Translocating. Always leave yourself a back door. See you later.
Hold on, whoever just threw their translocator right next to the building thing, don't go.
Always leave yourself a back door. Be right back. I might
Oh,
need
that
this
was
later.
close.
I'm out of here. Ahorita regreso.
Oh my gosh!
Eliminated.
I'm out of here.
Hi!
sucked.
I totally walked into that. Alright, I think we need to change up our strategy
30
from
seconds
Sombra
remaining.
to Tracer.
No, that guy needs to kill himself. He killed me for no reason.
Wait, Sombra, Rickzo, how did you get your translocator all the way over there?
Ahorita regreso.
Are they really falling for where you put it every time? Xmas camper.
Enemy eliminated.
Rickzo,
guy
throw
needs
your
to kill
thing
himself.
slowly into your thing.
That guy needs to kill himself. He killed me for no reason.
Eliminated.
See you later.
Alrighty, now we're getting somewhere.
What? Oh my god.
What?
Well, he's the owner, so he can't really do anything.
Ahorita
It
regreso.
doesn't.
He's gone mad with power. Also, you should.
I'm out of here. Be right back.
Go.
Finally! This is gonna be a good 30-minute video, I just know it. Alright, I say we go Tracer and Sombra. Or I guess Lucio too.
Well, if that guy
I wanna
doesn't
try
kill me
Lucio.
randomly again, if that guy doesn't randomly kill me again, this will work.
Yeah.
Move to the beat. Come on, let's bring it together.
2, 1. Fight. Match point.
Beacon in place.
Well, the game lagged and I lost what I was trying to do.
See you later.
Bentley, it's all up to you.
Teammate eliminated.
Oh no, I fell off.
It's okay though, you can still do
Ahorita
this.
regreso. I'm out of here.
Woo!
Be right back.
Enemy eliminated.
Locating.
I'm trying to be a nicer music. It's hard, but I'm trying. And anyone remember that?
No.
I remember it.
I remember that.
Is this where he kills me with a death ball? No. Like, what the heck? He doesn't even.
Do not
vote
give.
for him.
That was an upvote. Do not vote that person.
That's probably himself.
I know that was an upvote and a half. The only person I know that who does that is I forgot their name. Yeah. I have super cool loot boxes.
Welcome to Lijiang Night Market.
Okay. Okay, guys.
hero for
Diva and Sombra and a bit of Hanzo are really good. And yes, yourself, yes, that is what it means, but it mostly means my little plays because I got that from a friend.
Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
I'm going Genji. I want to go in that secret place up in the.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about, but I think I'm gonna go.
Junkrat might be good because he can double bomb.
Oh, I may.
Fight.
Oh, you have
somebody,
54 subs.
Ni hao. What?
Can somebody show me where that I heard Doomfist. Can somebody show me where that building is that I can go on top of?
I'm pretty sure the Reaper could make it there too.
Lag.
Where's the Doomfist? Oh, there he is.
Knocking them off.
I'm gonna block them off from any way behind us. Or I guess you guys do that. Oh, look, I'm new owner of the game.
Oh, that's great.
Oh my gosh, are you? Yay! That's actually good.
Hey, I am on the secret building as Reaper.
That was close.
What's the secret building?
Do you see the blue arrow that's super high in the sky?
Oh, yeah, that. I know about that.
Attack now. Watch this.
I'm here.
Am I, May, going to make it?
Capture the objective to win.
What are you guys all waiting for?
I just made it.
Perfect.
I just went right past him.
Bye, Mora.
0. Prepare.
Okay. I think I'm gonna go as.
Can Farah fly?
Yeah, no one turned it off, and I don't know how to.
Don't turn it off, please no. Please no.
I won't turn it off.
3, 2, 1.
See, I can
The only way
fly.
we can win
I
now.
can fly.
I believe
I
I can fly.
Ahorita regreso. See you later.
Oh crap.
Teammate eliminated.
Get back.
I'm good at stuff.
Get back.
Dang it, I didn't even get a hit. Did we win already?
Yeah.
30 seconds remaining.
Heroes.
Teammate eliminated.
Get back. My ultimate
Hover? Is it called hover jets?
Enemy eliminated.
Don't turn it off.
Score.
I'm trying to win here and you're ruining my strat.
Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Turned it off. Fire
Don't
can no
restart
longer
match.
fly.
So don't restart the match because I still want to win.
Three, two, one. Fight.
I'm pretty sure I did disable it, or I disabled the wrong thing. Either something's disabled, I don't know why I disabled.
Hover jets is the thing that when you hold down spacebar, that's hover jets.
Oh, yeah, then I disabled that. And my computer's being laggy.
Eliminated.
Oh, you guys, that. I'm gonna just settings.
I might need this later.
I'm gonna go heroes. Da 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 da. Yeah, just to make turn that.
Thirty seconds remaining.
Beacon.
All I did is just switch one very small thing that just made more sense to me. So don't worry about what I switched though. No, I did not remove any heroes. Boostio is awesome.
Score 2-1. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
The thing I switched up was about Hanzo. Small thing that was disabled, which I've seen used multiple times in other versions. So I don't know why it was disabled.
I'm guessing that Sonic Arrow.
Yeah, I've seen it in a lot of versions where it's okay.
Ahorita regreso.
Why am I Arisa?
I'm out of here.
Probably because you didn't pick fast enough.
Eliminated.
The game then autofills. That was a bunch of lag, literally. Reaper, shut up! Anyone else want to be Seeker? Thinking
Wait,
about
MLP
switching one of the
Wait,
Oh,
MLP.
I literally.
MLP, you want to be Seeker with me?
nah. Reaper, can you not? You're all edgy and everything, but you're not. Oh wait, hold on, you have the edge skin on. Never mind, you're completely edgy.
30 seconds remaining.
Reaper, they have no clue. I hope you know that.
They don't know where he is?
No, I don't think so.
Wait, yeah, they can do it. The Tracer just looked at him.
Can they even kill him?
Capture the objective.
Probably not. How'd you even get up there?
Magic.
Enemy eliminated.
Well, Tracer gave up.
Reeser, what? Reeser, why?
Score.
Wait, why did they just... I don't get it.
Prepare for battle. Select
I'm go-
your hero.
I want to do this too.
Just because I want to switch something.
Traveling to the Ilios ruins. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Show lobby. Back to lobby. I think I did. Okay, I think I did this right. Okay.
I want to stay on MLP's team.
Who wants to be Seeker? Oh. Alright. How about this actually? So Pyrus, Sparky there. Ugh! I did this wrong. Pyrus there. Why are people keep joining? Ah! There we go. Finally. I did it. Let me do it.
Now arriving at the Ilios.
Da-da.
Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
I have no clue whatsoever how good Hanzo is on this map.
With every day
3,
comes
2,
honor.
1.
With honor,
Fight.
redemption. Marked.
I'm picking whatever MLP picks. So
What? Don't do that. That's a bad idea and a half.
Eliminated.
I'm doing that.
Teammate eliminated.
See through the dragon's eyes.
Ooh, Reaper, you're surrounded.
Aren't we all?
Somebody's camping Reaper. Somebody's camping Reaper.
Teammate eliminated.
Oh, look at that.
30 seconds remaining.
See that which is unseen.
Time is running out. Attack!
No cap or camp.
This will heal you.
Hey, Moria can't get up here.
Moria can't get up here either.
Capture the objective to win.
Marked by the dragon. There is nowhere to hide. My arrow finds its mark.
Get off the point.
Don't get point.
The art of deception. See
No,
through the
what?
dragon's
Wouldn't Zen's
eyes.
Discord work better?
See that which
I have no idea, but this
Oh,
is
yeah.
just fun. Eh.
Not really.
Oh, well.
'Cause it only shows Moria to Zen.
I will kick both.
we can join the match chat and talk to them.
Everyone in the match chat. Hello.
You guys will never find me here.
Hanzo, where are you?
In a special position, Daddy.
There's only one of them in match chat.
I think you're stuck.
See that which is unseen.
Okay, they found you.
They'll never find me here, though.
You have to get up there.
Off the point!
No, they're listening to us right now. At least one of them are.
It's night
They're
something.
camping
I don't know.
me. Tell them to not camp me. They're camping me. See, they're right there. I gotta wait like 9 more seconds though.
This will heal you.
By the dragon.
Did they just kill?
No, they're right behind her, but she didn't see them.
Oh, okay.
Hello there.
Hi, how are ya?
Simple.
Hi. Scooch, 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 huh?
See through the dragon's eyes.
Why kick Raven?
Oh, hi.
Greetings.
Why kick the
This
Raven?
isn't fair. This isn't fair.
Stop moving your screen. Okay, yeah, I just stopped.
See that which is unseen.
She's literally right behind the building.
I'm gonna leave after a match or two to go play another game.
Get off the point. Jeez.
Hey, Bentley Jews, did you friend me?
Marked.
No, you didn't. Alright.
I just did now. Oh, wait, what?
Hold on.
There we go. Now I'm your friend. Get off the point.
Hey, we're all on PTR, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
We are.
Marked by the dragon.
Just making sure. Because I don't know if friends on PTR carry over to normal game. Do they? Actually, you know what they do.
I'm
No,
running for it. I'm
I
running
don't
for
think-
it. I'm running for it. I did it. I completed the game. I did it. Woohoo!
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that.
I have loot box.
No, they don't carry over because when I joined the PTR, I had 0 friends. I have like 400 friends on the regular server.
No, I'm talking from PTR. You friend someone at the PTR to like normal game. I know for a fact they don't go from normal game to PTR, but I'm talking about other way around.
They don't go from PTR to normal.
I don't think they do.
Well, it's weird because sure. Because it's weird
He's barking.
because one of my friends, who was originally a PTR player with me, we friended each other, and he carries over between both. So, questions. Let me do something
Sparky.
first.
Sparky, are you a Smurf? Sparky.
Sparky, are you a Smurf? Okay. Well, anyways, I'm gonna stop the video. I'm MLPMDog and I'm signing out. I'm also gonna go play another game. Bye.